Stop that keto now. Why your successful diet is ruining your cholesterol and the 3 secrets to fix it. Women over 40 must watch. Let's go! Women are born vibrant and strong and confident, but things got wrong over the years, and keto meals like avocado, bacon and butter came to the rescue. But if you're a woman over 40 and you swear by the keto diet, you need to hit pause right now. Yes, I know you lost weight fast. Yes, I know your sugar dropped. But what if I told you that the strict keto plan you've been following might be sabotaging your long-term health, specifically your heart? So, are you after a real keto success or a silent sabotage? It's time to go standard beyond keto. I'm revealing this simple, science-backed blend that gives you the rapid fat loss of keto with the longevity power of the Mediterranean diet. Stay tuned for the 3 crucial additions you must make today. The keto crisis and pitfalls are like this. Strict keto results on a great amount of saturated fat in bacon, butter, cheese, and unnecessary spikes of LDL that you don't really use keto. In its purest form, the one loaded with slabs of butter, cheese, and endless bacon and sausage can be dangerous because of this. Experts notice the serious problem. Patients seeing their cholesterol levels spike up dramatically, sometimes 100 points over previous readings. They were even being prescribed statin medications because of their diet. Why? Because the standard keto diet is often too low in fiber and dangerously high in saturated fats. Plus, let's be honest, how many of you found strict carb counting impossible to maintain? Nearly 50% of people drop the restrictive keto plan because it's just not sustainable. This is especially true if you are over 40 and fighting to balance weight loss and overall vitality. Keto is not sustainable with a 50% dropout. You need a plan that works for life, not just for 3 months. Enter the Mediterranean secret weapon: fresh vegetables, olive oil being drizzled, fish, and whole grains. That's where the Mediterranean diet, the winner of the best diets of 2025 contest, comes in. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle based on long-term health and sustainability. The Mediterranean approach focuses on quality. We're talking tons of fresh vegetables, whole grains, nuts, legumes, and especially extra virgin olive oil. The evidence is strong and convincing. This diet protects you against heart disease, reduces inflammation, and cuts the risk of type 2 diabetes. The frequent consumption of olive oil, for example, is specifically linked to lower weight and reduced waist circumference. We are comparing keto fast loss, high risk versus Mediterranean slow loss, high longevity. But here's the problem. Keto gets faster weight loss results initially. So how do we get the best of both worlds? Here, I tell you the 3 secrets to going beyond keto. The key to true metabolic flexibility, that ability to burn either fat or carbs efficiently, is modifying keto with Mediterranean wisdom. The experts who pioneered keto realized they needed 3 key additions to make it heart healthy and sustainable. Secret number 1, prioritize anti-inflammatory fats. Stop loading up on saturated fats that spike your LDL cholesterol. Shift your fats to powerful monounsaturated fats like olive oil and avocado oil, and load up on omega-3 south from healthy fish like wild salmon. Secret number 2, bring back the fiber. Your gut health depends on fiber. Keto often leaves you constipated and starved of fiber. Incorporate nuts, seeds, and plenty of salads and vegetables. Fiber is a powerful tool. It binds cholesterol and acts as a 1-2 punch with healthy fats to suppress your appetite. Secret number 3, practice carb cycling for psychological freedom. If the strict daily carb limit is crushing your spirits, use carb cycling. This means allowing planned temporary increases in carbohydrates, like perhaps having a small portion of your favorite fruit or ancestral grains periodically. This prevents the feeling of deprivation and drastically increases your chances of long-term adherence. This cyclical pattern is actually similar to what our ancestors ate based on seasonal food availability. Then now, who is beyond keto for? Metabolic flexibility is the goal. Going beyond keto is about achieving metabolic flexibility, teaching your body to use fat and carbs efficiently. If you've hit a weight loss plateau, or if you're battling sugar cravings that make strict keto impossible, carb cycling can be your bridge to a more manageable, healthy life. But a crucial warning, especially for women over 40. If you use diets to manage a serious condition, you must consult a doctor or nutritionist before reintroducing carbs. They can guide you and monitor your metabolic markers, like glucose tolerance, to make sure you stay safe while gaining flexibility. Let's recap and start today in action. Beyond Keto will be a course-like playlist that will be posted to this channel soon. Remember this for a start. Keto offers fast loss, but the Mediterranean approach offers long-term protective health. By blending them, you conquer the restrictive nature of keto and unlock a healthier, happier lifestyle. Do you want more specific guides on how many carbs you should cycle in? Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Tell me in the comment, what's the hardest part about sticking to a low-carb diet? Let's chat below. Have a nice day and see you soon.